This video is about diamond painting tutorial and I will cover some basics and also some hacks that will help you in completing this project fast and correctly. So hey everyone and welcome to my channel Learning Process, and this is me Hema. Let's get started. So I bought this diamond painting kit from Amazon and I will provide link in description box. It comes with this printed sticky canvas sheet that has printed index on right side and some instructions on left side. 30 different colors with codes in plastic sachets. One small pouch contains tray and pen along with clay and some small ziploc pouches. Hack number 1. Select some colors in advance that you want to do in single day on small area of this canvas sheet. Hack 2. Attach the canvas sheet with some hard surface, and for this I use cutting board as it is heavy, and I also used swing clips. Doing this art is very easy. Just take out one color on tray and dab pen on clay and start doing this art. To be honest, I was little nervous in the beginning because this is my first time I am trying this art form, and I badly want to try this form from so long. Hack number 3. Make a separate index of these colors that you can use as guide, and you can also attach stones on this sheet as well. This index really helped me in the process. Hack 4. So I started doing this art horizontally, but I decided to do it vertically as I can cover more area in a single day. Hack number 5. As it comes with only one tray, I decided to use these flat bowls. That is really helpful. Hack number 6. Use toothpick and Fevicol, and trust me guys, it is more effective than doing this art with pen. And I am not going to lie, but I use this toothpick idea on whole area. Hack number 7. Start with colors that are to be done more as compared to others. So according to my sheet, those were T and F symbols. Hack number 8. Take 3 different colors together to do speedy work. So I decided to take 2 flat bowls and 1 tray that is provided with this kit. And for doing this effectively, you need to choose different colors so you don't get confused in symbols while doing it. Hack number 9. Don't overlap any stone. Adjust them. Place it nicely, otherwise it will come out. Hack number 10. Make this project a family project. So to be honest, this project needs patience and it is very time consuming and took me more than 30 hours. So I took my family help. So my sister and mother helped me in this project, and even my 2-year-old daughter also decided to take part in this project and put around 10 stones minimum. So this project is not related to any gender or age. It can be done by kid or old people as well. So enjoy doing this project with family. I am hoping that you like my effort and you might found these 10 hacks very helpful. Providing those link in the description box, so you can just click and buy. And for short video you have to follow my Facebook and Instagram account, because I'm not going to upload any shorts on YouTube. So keep watching and keep liking my channel. Thank you and bye.